Now students, let's start with the practical session of Visual Basic. Today we will be learning how to create a small VB application in Visual Basic. Now the name of the program is how to add two numbers. That means the addition of two numbers. Now to add two numbers, first of all we need to input two numbers through the text boxes. Then the computer is going to add those two numbers and then will return us the output. Now first of all, before proceeding with the program, we need to design the form. To design the form, as we need to enter two numbers, so we need two text boxes. Clicking on the toolbox and clicking on the text box control, then drag your mouse on the form layout window like this. This is my first text box. I am going to take one more text box below this first text box in the similar manner. This is my text 2. Now in front of these two text boxes, I will be taking one label box control for the caption. Below label 1, I will be taking one more label, that is label 2, for the another caption. Now other than these two text boxes, I will be taking one more text box for the output. This way. This will be text 3. Now we have two labels and three text boxes, but the most important thing which we need to take is command button. So command button will be placed at the bottom. By default, the caption of the command button is command 1. Now after placing the controls on the form layout window, the next step is to change the properties of these controls. So we are going to change the properties one by one. First of all, clicking on label 1 and then changing the caption of the label 1 to enter first number. Changing the caption of label 2 again. The caption will be enter second number. Now coming to the command button caption, the caption of the command button we are going to change as addition. As the program is about addition, so we'll keep the caption as addition only. Coming to the text box properties, always the text box should be blank. So the text property should be blank. So delete this text one which is already written over there. For the text box 2 also, like this. For the output text box also, remove this. So this way we have changed the properties of all the controls. Now after designing the form, the next step is to do the coding. So how to do the coding, students? To do the coding, double click on the command button. Will take you to the command or the code window. Here you can see the command line as private sub command 1 click and then end sub. And between these two lines we need to write down the coding. So now start writing down the coding. We'll be writing A equals to val bracket open text 1. Text 1 is the name of the text box. Why I have taken val? Val is going to convert the alphabetical value to the numeric one, because text boxes always contains the alphabetic value. So to do the calculations, we need to convert them to the numeric format. The first text box value will go to variable A. Similarly, we'll be taking variable B equals to val text 2. Bracket closed. Now we'll be taking one more variable, that is C. C will be equals to A plus B. That means the addition of both the variables will go to like this. That means both the numbers will get added and then will get stored in C. Now the last step is to give the output. output will always go to text box 3. So I will be writing text 3 is equals to C. That means whatever value will come to C, it will get transferred to the third text box, that is text 3. So this is the coding. Now we'll come to the last step, that is how to run the program. To run the program, students, we need to click on this start button which is available on your toolbar. Clicking on this start button will take you to the execution window. Here you can see the cursor is blinking in the first text box. Now we need to enter the value. For example, I am just entering the first number as 70. Second text box, I am going to enter the number as 65. Now click on the command button. The output will be coming in the third text box as 135. So this is how we can add both the numbers and we can make the program for addition or for any other calculation like subtraction also, multiplication also, or division also. So this is all about how we can make a small program in Visual Basic. We are going to learn few more things in the next session. Till then, goodbye students. Have a good day.